Oh, so back now I remember why I was telling you this story. Sorry. So I was talking about looks versus functionality. You know, right now I'm on level 2. I have level 1. Sorry, the first level up from normal height. How about that? I raised up the Jeep, but not because this road is difficult, but because I thought it looked cool. So dumb, right? That's me. Once again, B-Man 1313. Dumb. That should be the second leg of the Georgia Traverse. Now we'll be on concrete for a while, I do believe, until we get back to, probably till after Diller. 11:38. Next stop will be lunch. See y'all in a few. I missed it, but we are now in North Carolina. I take this road right here left. No, not that one. It's coming up. Here's the Christmas trees. Okay, right up here. I'll take a left. I guess that's the way we're going. Back on there. There's a nice waterfall over here, though. Waterfall's right down here at the bottom. I know this road.
Everybody's taking pictures of each other. Look at that. Everybody's taking pictures of everybody and everything.
I better get in there on that then.
Picture of you too. That's hilarious. Tony, how's it going?
What's going on, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Just having a good old time out here, man.
We are on the Georgia Traverse with the B-Man.
B-Man 1313 right there. It's okay. We'll forgive him with that Georgia hat on, though. But it's all right.
Yeah, this guy right here. He took his Auburn one off, though.
Oh, because I have to represent the Goodfellas Hunting Club.
I hear you.
I
hear
get you out here. That's
I hear you. All right, I got some drone footage. So excited about that. I didn't think I'd get to drone it up today, and they took a quick stop at a real cool spot that I really like, with some. All
right, they're on the road. All right, we're rolling.
on Richie. Alrighty. That's awesome. I'm so excited. I got some drone footage. Alrighty. Now we go on. Next stop should be Dillard. And that's not really a leg, but I'll call it the third leg of the Georgia Traverse. There'll be a few little pieces here and there that we'll keep on adding to it, but it's nothing. Nothing. So, alright, here we go. Alright, so we got all our overlanders here. Everybody's doing their thing. So we got this one over here cooking it up. We got our tent. We're going to go sit with him. We're going to go cook, and then we're going to go sit. But this is cool because everybody's doing their thing. Doing their thing. Alright, what a wonderful lunch. Just chilling, fellowshipping, relaxing. That turned out much better than I was expecting. Everybody kind of sat around and we cooked our own lunches there in the back of the cars, and luckily it didn't start raining till now that we're heading out. So it was good. It was pretty good. So we are now headed to Patterson Gap, and from there we'll end up at Charlie's Creek. It's only 1:30 right now. That was the plan, to get out.